The quality is incredible. I'm going to enjoy these. Do they suit me? And put them on one more time so you can see. Most of your faves use these websites and you think that you're spending thousands of dollars on those designer bags. No, it's this website they use. This bag, I'm holding it in my hand right now. It's literally giving, how would they know? How are they gonna know? They cannot know. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, or fondly called Mrs. M. And if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for coming back to my video today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about luxury, okay? Are you someone who loves luxury on a budget and someone who loves to look good without breaking the bank? Then I have this bag I'm about to show you. It's from a let's actually just show the bag first of all, okay? Before I even tell you anything, let me show you the bag. This is the box it came in this Dior box, and I have tried out a bag from this company, my other Dior bag, and it served me. It's over 2 years now, I'm not mistaken, and it's been so good. This is the bag. I already unboxed it because I was too excited to come on here and unbox it with you, but look at this bag. This is the Dior Lady bag. So this is my new Dior bag, and I have wanted the Dior Lady for a while now. I wanted it in the cherry color, burgundy color, but I got it in black, and I didn't get the glossy finish. I got the matte finish. Now let me open this bag while I tell you about this website. This website is called Winbags, and I'm going to have all their links in the description. And why I say that these people are lifesavers is because these bags, this is a replica bag. This is a freaking replica. Can you beat that? I am holding it right here, and it is too. Oh, the workmanship. Oh, the workmanship is incredible. This is literally giving. How would they know? How would they know if you don't tell them? How would they know? How would they know? Like, from the inside to the outside to the strap. It also came with a buckle, uh, strap. I mean, too good. That's the inside. Just in case you were wondering what it looked like on the inside, the strap too is really good. So they are a replica company that ships worldwide, and they ship for free to you wherever you are. If you do order something above $120, I'll have my code for you in the description. I'm going to have all their links. You need to remember that all their links will be in the description. So the glasses, I'll be sharing the glasses soon, and the bags in the description box. And if you do use the code WINBAGS, you can get a discount furthermore over on orders that are over $120. Now I'm going to put what this bag is priced right now currently. I'll try to get the price because there's a lot of resellers, and I'll put the price that this bag is worth on the website. I'll put that on the screen because you need to understand that this bag is a steal. It's such an incredible buy. Oh wow, looking at it here, I cannot stop gushing. I cannot stop gushing. What do you think about my new bag? Okay, leave me a comment in the description box. Leave me a comment in the comments right now telling me what you think about my new bag. It is so beautiful. Immediately yes, immediately yes. And next up, I picked from this website is my Miu Miu glasses. These are the Miu Miu sunglasses. They were quite trendy a while now. I'm just going to open it up. Huh? It came with this duster bag where you can keep your glasses, and this is what the glass case looks like. Come on now. This is so nice. This is such a pretty color. I don't even know if that's picking up on camera. There, it's like a pretty pink suede color. Are you ready? Let me know if this suits me. But I have on these are my new sunglasses from Winbags. These are the Miu Miu sunglasses, of course. Okay, I definitely recommend this brand. I recommend this website. It feels incredible. The quality is incredible. I'm going to enjoy these. Do they suit me? Let me put them on one more time so you can see. I've always wanted shades that fade like this. Do they suit me? Leave a comment, and the exact link to these are in my description box. Okay, let me know. I really would like to know. I've been wanting to try shades like this, so I don't know if these suit my face shape. All right, would you be picking this bag up, or you can check their website? They have everything. They have things from, you know, designer bags, clothes, shoes, bags, sunglasses, jewelry. They have a lot on their website. So if this bag is not your jam, definitely check out their website for something you would like. They have a plethora of things, and they have been doing this for a while. So they have built credibility and they have built trust. And when I tell you that this bag, I'm holding it in my hand right now, it's literally giving, how would they know? How are they gonna know? They cannot know because it looks and feels so original. I don't have an original Dior lady, but I have a friend that does, and I have felt it, and yeah, no difference, to be honest. I can't wait to twin with her, to be honest. Thank you for watching, and let me know if this bag is your jam, or what other bags you have on your luxury wish list. And would you be checking out this website? I highly recommend. If you do not already know, they buy these bags from this kind of people in China where they make it in bulk, and they just sell you a brand. So it's the brand you're paying all the dollars for. I might be talking like this right now because I don't have the thousands of dollars to pay, but truth be told, why break the bank when I can have luxury for cheaper? I'm keeping it short, sweet, and simple. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of videos, and if you'd love to see you in my next video, my loves. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this from me, showing you luxury on a budget and how you can still slay, still be the e-girly while not breaking the bank. Check out all the links to this bag in the description box. Okay, most of your faves use these websites, and you think that they're spending thousands of dollars on those designer bags. No, it's this website they use. So go check them out and let me know what you'll be picking up from there. What's on your luxury wish list? Leave me a comment, and let's see if we can get you a replica on this page, at least until you get the real deal. I'm going to see you in my next video, my loves. Stay amazing and keep winning. Okay, bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.